because I had to extend. I didn't feel like going back to Home Depot and get a longer board, more expensive, hard to get here in the Jeep. So I was able to cut a little bit off the end here, and I'm just going to use some wood glue and pocket holes. My first time trying this out, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm back. Here we go with the pocket hole. It is November, so I'm growing a mustache. So you have to clamp this here. There's a click down here, and I choose 3/4, and then on here you have to put this stopper on the same thing, and it's as simple as this. Let me go on the other side. There you go. And using these right here. So I'm gonna put two more of those, one here and one here, and I'll be back to screw it on. And the middle one.